Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel Learn Math with Sayyid Ali. So today one of my student has sent me a question that we have to find out the probability. So the question is, a box contain red balls, blue balls and green balls. So red balls in the box are 11, blue balls in the box are 18, green balls in the box are 7. So find out the probabilities. Find out the probabilities or following probabilities. So he has given me several parts, 5 parts of this question, right? So he says find out the following probabilities. Right? So part 1, probability of getting, not only the probability, question says find the probabilities, following probabilities in percent. His question is, he says that he understood how to find out the probability, but he need to find out the probability in percentage, right? So one and the same thing, we will learn it here, because if we multiply the ratio of the probability, which is the event possibility divided by total number of the event possibility, right? So when we divide this, we get the probability, and if we multiply this ratio by 100, we get the percentage of the probability in percentage. So probability of getting a red marble, if we draw a ball, what is probability of getting a red marble or ball, whatever it is, right? So don't confuse with the words. So a container or a box contains red 11 balls or marble, blue 18 marbles, green marbles are 7. So first of all, we need to sum them up so that we know that how many total marbles or total balls are there. So when we total it, we have total balls are 36 or total marbles are 36, right? So in some of the questions it says marble or ball, right? So I'm just writing the question in a way he sent me. So it says ball, it says marbles, right? So I will repeat marbles, right? So what is the probability of getting red marble if we draw one ball out of it? Drawing one ball from the box. Drawing out how many balls? One ball. One marble. Drawing out one marble, right? What is probability if we draw one marble that it is red marble, right? So how many red marbles are there? 11. So possibility of the event to happen is 11, but the total possibility is 36. So 11 divided by 36 is your probability. And if some question is saying that find the probability in percentage, so you have to multiply this by 100. So when you multiply, it becomes 30.55. And you know that you can round it off to 31%, because if it is 5 or more than 5 after decimal, you have to round it off to the next digit. So 30.55 is rounded off as 31%. B part. If we draw one marble, what is the probability that we draw a brown marble? So is there any brown marble in the box? No. There is no brown marble in the box. So what will be the event possibility? 0. Total possibility is 36, but there is none. Brown is nothing, right? So we get 0%. We have no possibility or 0% chance of getting a brown marble from the box, because there are only 3 colors, red, blue and green, right? So there is no possibility of getting a brown marble from the box. C part, probability of getting green or a blue marble. Green or blue marble. So Now, what is probability, or what is the number of the chances of getting green or blue? So how many greens are there? Greens are 7, blues are 18, right? So 18 plus 7 is 25, right? So 25 divided by 36, total number of the possibilities, times 100, and which will give you 69.4%, which you can round it off as 69, because it is after decimal, it is less than 5, right? So you round it off as 69% chance or probability in percent. So we go to the D part, probability of getting red or blue. Red or blue. So how many red or blue are there? You have to count. Red is 11, blue is 18. So if you count them together, 18 plus 11, right? So it's 29. 29 is the chance or the probability of event to happen. What is the total number of the chances? 36 times 100. When you simplify this, you get 69, you get 81%, 80.55, right? So you will be getting like 81%. You have to round it off because it is 5, so it goes to the next digit, 81%. And the last part, probability of getting red, blue, or green. So this is like 100% because in the box you have only 3 colors. What colors you have? Red, blue, and green. And he's asking, question is asking that what is probability of getting a red, blue, or green? So it is 100% chance because now you have 36 over 36 into 100, which is 100%, right? Which is 100%. So this was the question asked by one of my remote student, that find out the following probabilities in percent. If it is saying only probabilities, then we have to leave the question here. This is the probability of getting the red marble from this box. But question says that find the probability in percent. So you will use the same formula, number of the event to happen, right, divided by total number of the possibilities to happen. So total number means you have to add this up, which is 36, right? And red is 11. So 11 over 36 is the probability. And if you multiply it by 100, you will get the probability in percent. So probability of getting a brown marble, if you draw one marble out of the box, what is probability of getting a brown marble? There is no brown marble. The marbles are red, blue, or green. So that means there is 0% possibility, right? And then question was green or blue. So you add up green and blue, which is 25. And then the same thing, 25 divided by 36 times 100. It gives you 69.4. So it is 69%. Probability of getting a red or blue. So red or blue means you have to add up red and blue, which is 11 plus 18, which is 29. So you add up and then you did the same thing. 29 divided by 36 times 100 is 80.55, which rounded off as 81%. Last one was probability of getting a red, blue, or green. So in the box we have red, blue, or green. So that means number of the outcomes, possible outcome of the event is 36 divided by total number of the outcomes, which is again 36. So the probability in percent is 100%. So this was the answer, and hope you'll understand it thoroughly. If you understand it, thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon button so that you can receive next video in your inbox. Thank you for watching.